HD touchscreen computer in the world. The 4K Ultra HD display and full laminated touchscreen be built with the foldable, flexible zero-gravity hinge for multi-angle vision from 15° to 95°. 32 inches or 27 inches 4K Ultra HD touchscreen with NVIDIA 4G graphics card, plus 8th generation Intel-Core i7 CPU or i5 CPU for fitting your needs in different purposes. Apollo will bring you a whole new experience in business operation. Building with 4K Ultra HD IPS screen and NVIDIA 4G graphics card, it also is the best equipment for entertainment. Watching 4K online movie, YouTube, Netflix, Facebook Watch, iTunes, all the other online follow also be created for the artists, designer working with the graphic application, the magic zero-gravity hinge and full-color 4K touchscreen. The artists and designer can easily adjust the panel in any angle and have full color palette for hand drawing, artistic creation on the screen. It is also perfect for 3D modeling, film. Also, it's perfect and flawless for Xbox games and all the 4K HD online games. Apollo is created for people working professional. With the biggest touchscreen monitor, you can have the variety of data information on one screen. More than that, with the highly sensitive full touchscreen feature, it's best way to increase your productivity at work and give you more convenience in operation and viewing information or switch the vision quicker as well as 3D vision. Apollo is available in 4 versions.
This is Bijou, the world's slimmest projector designed just for your Apple iOS devices. It's so small that it can completely fit in any kind of pocket. Yeah, even your tight jeans pocket. Not only is it small, but it is also light. The thing is, your iPhone is even heavier than Bijou. Bijou can scale the size of the screen up to 100 inches. The screen is projected 14 degrees upwards, so you don't need to put something underneath to create the right angle. How to use it? Just plug and play. There's no app, no additional setup needed. It's totally user-friendly. As you move Bijou away from a surface, the screen size will be enlarged accordingly. For optimal usage, have it 2 to 3 meters away from the surface of your choice. Loud enough? The built-in speaker can deal with that. Just push the plus button on the top to increase the volume. It's louder than your iPhone, thanks to the laser beam scanning technology. There's no need to focus before using, because the beams are more concentrated than other projectors. Now feel free to lay down and chill with your favorite manga, or lay back and enjoy your movie and series. It's up to you. All you have to do is enjoy your life with Bijou.
I am Kiro. Let me introduce myself first. You can install me easily without visiting a mechanic. I can serve all the car key functions. Engine starts only when your smartphone is inside your car, which provides stronger security. Now, you will only need your smartphone when you're out. Everything is now possible with a smartphone. Why does the car key remain the same when the world is becoming smarter? I will make the difference. When you want to lend the car, open the app and simply push the share button. You can also set and change time limit as you like. This is cutting-edge technology. Locking and unlocking doors are the basics. You can share your car with many people. You can transfer your key easily without physically meeting them. Did anything happen? No way! Shared keys can be retrieved at any time. Tell me anytime when your mind changes. Make your day faster and more comfortable with strong security and convenience.